Nice thing about being a scuba diver is that you have random weight all over the place. I use these so much I can't even explain. Like, not only for working out, but for these kinds of projects. Super useful. Ah! I'm so scared.
YOLO, bitch!
But what if I did it wrong? I don't think I did.
I don't think you did.
I'm gonna cry if something blows up. So what happens if something, like the worst case, could there be a fire? Do we need to have something?
If you have your circuit protection set up correctly.
I can't assume. All right, we're gonna do it. We've got the battery switch here. Oh God.
Do you still have the cardboard on the roof?
I do. Well, it lit up like it's reading solar. Oh my God. Oh, that's so exciting.